Good morning, dear students. In our previous class, we have dealt with a type of question in which I have an example like A was given and B was given, and you were told to solve various numericals like this. Now, in today's class, we have another type of question like we have 72 into 36 and equals to 2 to the power x into 3 to the power y, and we need to find out the value of x and y. That means whenever there is this sort of question, so the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to find out the factors in this given terms. If like here we need to find out in terms of 2 and 3. If in a question it is given 5 and 7, so the given number have to be factorized in 5 and 7. So as per the question given, 72 into 36 has to be brought down in the terms of 2 and 3. So the first thing that we are going to do is we will first find out 72 in terms of 2 and 3. So we will find out the factors of 72. So it is So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is equals to, you will write in exponent form. So it is 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. Next you will find out for 36. 2, 18. So this is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now, once I have taken out their factors in terms of 2 and 3, now again I will write 72 into 36, and then I will just write these. So in this form, so 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2, this is for 72, and 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3, this is for 36. Once I have done this, the next thing that we will do is, now this is an important result which we will discuss in our next class, but for now just remember that whenever the base are same and they are getting multiplied, we add their exponents. So in this case we have 2 and they are multiplied, so we are going to add. So it will be 3 plus 2. Similarly for 3, it will be, sorry, it is square. I have written it. 2 plus 2. So it will be 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4. So we have brought down 72 into 36 to 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4. Now get back to the question. Now the given, it was in the form of 2 to the power x and 3 to the power 5. So now looking at this, we can easily say that x is equals to 5, because 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power x, they are same. So we have x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 4. Now once you have got x and y, now we can again solve these type of questions like a plus b to the power x, or 2 plus 3 to the power x, or 2 into 3 to the power y. So once we have got the values of x and y, we can solve. Now another thing, when if you are having problem in understanding this part, that is if the base are same and they are getting multiplied, we add their exponent. The other way you can do it, first multiply 72 and 36. So first we will multiply 72 and 36, and then whatever the product we are getting, we will find out that product in terms of 2 and 3. Again you will have this same result. Once you get in this form, we will just equate it with their powers. Like with whatever power we get for 2, we will write it in place of x, and whatever we get for in y, we will write y. So based on this you will solve question number 9 and 10. I'm just writing continued and I'm explaining what we will have if we write 72 into 36. If we multiply 72 into 36, 6 will be 12, 42, 42, 43, 6, 21. So it is 2592. So this is equals to 2592. The next step will be to find the prime factorization of 2592. So we will find 2592. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 18, 6. 8, 2, 3, 4. So then we will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and then in the exponent form, that is 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4. So you can see we have again reached to our 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4. Now we will just replace. We have got it in this form. We have got reduced it in this form, and so we will write x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 4. So you can follow any of the step. Either you can first multiply and then do the prime factorization, because this will be easy for you since you have done this. And if you are using this is actually a theory which we are going to study in the next classes. So you can use, but if you are not able to do this right now, this is a bit easier one, so you can follow this. So your homework is question number 9 and 10.